Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Huddersfield Estate in St. Mary is a prominent, well-established area with a close-knit mindset of people. It is minutes away from the Rio Nuevo's battle site, where the famous battle between the English and Spaniards were fought. This is the home of an English-born and raised person with roots in St. Thomas. The property is for sale to allow more time in the development of St. Thomas. Presently, this corner lot is his home and serves as a guest house as well. It sits on the upper level of the bypass, which leads from Ocho Rios into Kingston, St. Thomas, and Portland. The land size is 1/3 of an acre. The entire yard is paved with parking for 20 vehicles. Tropical fruit trees are found throughout the property. The upper floor is the living environment for the family. It has 4 bedrooms with ensuite and large closet space each. It also provides a large living room, dining room, and huge kitchen. There is an L-shaped balcony with a staircase for accessing this space. Downstairs housed 3 one-bedroom apartments and an additional 1-bedroom setting for each with its own bathroom, kitchen, porch, and private entry. In the surrounding area, you have the Flemings Airport, Area 2 Police Headquarters, and the James Bond Beach. Guys, let's take a look at this property and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 630,000 or Jamaican $96.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.